We are discussing traffic accidents, including trucking accidents tonight. We've got Tom on the line in Birmingham. Hey, Tom.
Hey.
Hey.
Hello.
I was curious, how hard is it to recover from trucking companies and when you have a truck accident? Are they easier than, say, a private party or more complicated?
Okay.
Great question.
That's kind of a loaded question. As far as recovering from a trucking company, under the Federal Motor Safety Carrier Act, if I'm correct of the terminology, trucking companies are required to have at least $1 million in liability for them to operate on the road and be legal. Trucking companies, the litigation becomes more complex. If you have a driver between Jane and Tom, they're usually going to be driving a vehicle, and it's going to have a trunk with items in it. If you're hit by an 18-wheeler, there are certain requirements that the driver has to abide by. Not only should he be drug-free, but he also has to operate under a certain weight limit, and in addition to that, he also has to keep logs. So I would avoid trying to handle any kind of trucking accident on your own. There are time limits, and you have to preserve certain evidence with the trucking company, and if you don't take action immediately, you can lose that. And if you lose that evidence, it may lessen the value of your case, and you may not be able to prove a certain portion of liability.